Welcome to Our Life Simplified. I'm Laura, and Todd is my husband. On this channel, we share our journey of transforming our 5-acre property into a Tuscany-inspired mini homestead and peaceful outdoor oasis. From DIY builds and garden projects, to raising chickens and culinary adventures, including cooking, baking, and grilling, and everything in between. We are creating a space that's both functional and charming, one intentional step at a time. Welcome to our home. Today's video, we're going to be making homemade pickle relish that you would put on your Chicago-style hot dogs. We're going to show you just how easy this is using the process that we use. Todd's already washed the cucumbers. We're putting it in a food processor. We're just getting it to this texture. We have about 7 to 8 pounds of pickles. When I say it's simple, this is how simple it is. We got this Mrs. Wedge's sweet pickle relish from Rural King. And it's got the instructions right on the back. We're just going to follow it according to instructions. And then we're going to do something that is going to create that bright green color that you see on those Chicago-style hot dogs. We're going to add a 1/4 cup of this pickling, brining and pickling salt.
Yep.
Sprinkling it around, going to be stirring it up.
Then let it set in the fridge for 2 hours.
And let it set in the fridge for 2 hours. We got a lid on it. And we're going to place it in the fridge for about 2 hours. It's been about 2.5 hours since we put it in the fridge. So we are only going to strain this. We are not going to rinse it. We are going to go ahead and add 2 cups of sugar to the pan, 2.5 cups of vinegar. This is a 1/2 cup, and this is a 2-cup measuring cup.
The 1 package of relish dress mix.
And the full packet of the seasonings. We'll stir them in.
I'm going to bring it to a boil. And we're going to add all of the cucumbers that have been shredded up there, ground up, and then we're going to simmer that for 10 minutes.
Stir occasionally just to make sure the sugar does not stick to the bottom. Okay, once it comes to a boil, now it's time to add the cucumbers. We'll stir periodically, but this has to now simmer for 10 minutes. Okay, now it's time to can. So the secret ingredient to making the sweet pickle relish the bright green color that you're used to with Chicago-style hot dogs is... Show us what it is!
Blue food coloring.
Blue food coloring. Okay, so check this out.
So now you have the neon green Chicago-style hot dog sweet pickle relish right there.
So we do the Chicago-style hot dogs several times during the year. It's easy to put together. And yeah, if you want us to make a video on how we do it, let us know. So now it is time to fill the jars for canning. We're going to fill this to 1/2-inch headspace. We're going to take a little bit out of there, but this is a 1/2-inch headspace. We have 6 jars completely full to the 1/2-inch headspace. We have 1 not quite there, so we'll just put that in the refrigerator, which means that we're just gonna have Chicago-style hot dog a little sooner than what we had anticipated. So now we're gonna wipe off the tops, add the lids, and then the rings. Finger tight. Beautiful. 6 1/2-pint jars going into the water bath canner. Once this comes to a boil, it's going to then boil for 15 minutes. The initial timer went off, so now we shut the heat off, and we're setting a timer for about 5 minutes just to let it kind of cool down slowly before placing them on the towel to cool off completely overnight. 5 minutes is up, jars are coming out. There you have it. We've got the 6 canned sweet pickle relish that is the Chicago style, that green, neon green Chicago style pickle relish. This is the one that we did not can. We're just going to stick it in the refrigerator, which will encourage us to go ahead and make some Chicago style hot dogs soon here in the next week or so, but it filled it up most of the way. I went ahead and did a price breakdown. With the cucumbers, I had some of my cucumbers from my garden, but we didn't have enough to do all of this. So we spent $9 at the farmer's market on cucumbers. 2 cups of sugar was a total of 68 cents. 2.5 cups of vinegar was a total of 49 cents. And then Mrs. Wedge packet, that seasoning packet that I showed you, was $2.99. So the total cost for all 7 of these jars was $13.14. If you divide that by 7, I am counting this as a whole one, that gives you $1.88 per half pint jar, which is equivalent to 2 cups. I will try to pop a picture of what it cost for the sweet pickle relish at the store. And I know sometimes it is very hard for us to find the Chicago style pickle relish. You might have to order it online, but we showed you the easiest trick in the world to make it that neon green color. I'll be sure to share links at the end of this video of other canning videos. So if you're interested in the other items that we've been canning, you can go ahead and follow that. We have lots of videos getting ready to come out regarding canning. But now the only thing left to do is feed the chickens the scraps. Thank you for watching. Until next time.